So put it on the top.
Soul sisters, let me hear your flow, sisters. Hey, sister, go, sister, soul, sister, flow, sister. Hey, sister, go, sister, soul, sister, flow. Remember the love down on Moulin Rouge. Starting a star on the street. She said, hello, hey, Jeff, you wanna give it a go? Gitchy, gitchy, yeah, yeah, da, da. Gitchy, gitchy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Mocha chocolate, yeah, yeah. Cream lady on the Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir? Voulez-vous coucher avec moi? Inside in a pool, she fresh and down. Boys drink all that, they know you want it. All black satin jeans, sweaters on the free. Gitchy, gitchy, yeah, yeah, da, 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 da. Gitchy, gitchy, yeah, 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 oh, yeah. Mocha chocolate, yeah, yeah. Pretty lady mama. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir? Voulez-vous coucher avec moi?
You come to me with the money in the garden belt. Let me know we got that cake straight out the gate. Look at the way the sun takes the whole say, why spend mine when I can spend yours? Disagree? Well, that's you. I'm sorry. I'ma keep playing these cats out like a tar. High heel shoes, get love from the dudes, more badass chicks from the blue on me. Hey, sisters, soul sisters, better get that dough, sisters. We drink brown with diamonds in the glass by the case, the feeling of expensive taste.
You wanna itchy, yeah, yeah. Mocha chocolate.
What? Rio Lady Mama.
Created by Lisa's Clothing, and The Week as well by Lisa's Clothing. Blondie is going to perform a number, This Is My Life. Tanwai, ona watotele fasea, onisifo latunuu, ileitu pafingata, mahana manvainga. Blondie is going to perform a number exactly for that.
Funny how a lonely day can make a person say, what good is mine? 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 a mess I've made of my life. Crying over my mistakes, forgetting all the breaks I've had in my
Our major sponsor, always with us, thank you very much, Sanya and Pui, for your continuous support. Our models, once again. How about a round of applause? Come on! It's not over yet. And of course, Princess Taika.
The grandmother of all the models.
And of course, Samantha of Metal. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? Before we announce the winner, the prize has been made available to courtesy of former Miss Samoa and a very good active supporter of this activity tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment that you've all been waiting for. And our winner for tonight goes to Tala.
Tala!
Again, to my time, ulit mo manalo nito. O dali iliyaw, Tala Mayalang Tala Amota.
Tonight,
Tua